Hello students. So now here the third lesson of that how the state government works. So in a social and political life we are going to discuss that. So in the last year we discussed about that in a sixth standard. We discussed about that what is that. So government works under the three levels: local, state and central level. So here that how the local government is providing and some of the details you have learned that. In this chapter we are going to learn about the state government, how the state government is going to be work and what are we are going to get everything we are going to discuss in this lesson. So here so in your textbook there is a conversation between the MLA and representatives and everything it is there. So just once you glance the discussions, okay, so that would be easier to understand you about that. So now I'm going to explain you about the majorly about that what it is done, okay, about in a Patalpuram. Let's start, okay. So who is an MLA? In the above section, we have read about some of the events in Patalpuram. So you may be familiar with some of official names such as collector, medical officers, etc. But you have heard on MLA and Legislative Assembly. But do you know that MLA of your area? Who is your MLA in your area? That we need to notice that. Can you identify which party she or he belongs to? So we can understand that MLA for different areas. Different area, different MLAs will be there. So by understanding that question. Next one. So they are representing the different parties. Understand? Different parties. And next one, member of the Legislative Assembly are elected by the people. So once you cross the 18 years, you are going to get the voting power. So once you receive the voting power, definitely you are able to vote for the whom you want that. Okay, the representatives. So different parties, different candidates would be stand there. So we need to choose which is the best one. So that we need to elect it that. Okay, so that by the election. They then become the member of the Legislative Assembly. In Legislative Assembly, in Karnataka, we are going to call that Vidhana Sabha. Okay, Vidhana Sabha. So that we are going to call that. So Legislative Assembly. So whom you elected, the members will go on to the Legislative Assembly and form the government. How they form? Let's see now. Every state in India has a legislative assembly. Each state is divided into different areas and constituency. Okay, this is very important. For example, they have given in a textbook here Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituency. What is that? 68. Okay, Karnataka, how much is divided? So just correct the information. 224. Okay, so which are that? And you are belongs to which constituency? Okay, so discuss with your parents and collect the information. Okay, so that is very important. For each constituency, the people elect one representative who then becomes a member of the legislative assembly. This is very important. So they are going to elect one member for the legislative assembly as a member. So you would have noticed that people stand for elections in the name of the different parties. So that may be Congress, BJP, JDS, so JDU, like that we can say that. So these MLAs therefore belongs to the different political parties. So this is a picture about our map of the Himachal Pradesh. You could see that there are numbers. We could see that those all the numbers are going to represent the one of the continent. So here this is the 41 one constituency. So this is 24. So like that. So from 1 to how much? Sorry. 1 to how much? 68. 1 to 68 constituency that Himachal Pradesh has that. Okay. So how do MLAs become the ministers or chief minister, isn't it? So we are going to elect everyone, no? So how do they do that? A political party whose MLAs have one more than the half of that. For example, 68. Half of the 68 means how much? So what is that? 34. So those who received the 34. So 35 who received the more majority, more than half of the constituency number, that could ask them to make the majority. Okay, so they will be majority party. So the political party has the majority to call the ruling party. Okay, the majority which has come, that political party, that is called the ruling party, and other members are considered as the oppositions. For example, Legislative Assembly of the Himachal Pradesh 68 MLA constituency. So now here is the 2017 selection result. So political party, which are these are political parties, and number of the MLAs elected. Bharatiya Janata Party, that is BJP, 44 seats is received. Okay, so it is more than half of that. Okay, so 68 half of means 34. So it's more than 34. So that's why it is the ruling party, Indian National Congress, INC, Congress. So that is 21 seats it receives. That is the opponent party. So and also this is the first opponent party, like that. Communist Party of India, Maastricht. So that is 1, independent. So that 2. So like that. So it is considered as that. So one of the result of that. Okay. So what they did, that after the election, the MLAs belonging to the ruling party will elect their leader, who will become the chief minister in the. They will make one leader. Okay, among the 44 example in Himachal 44, one make them he is a leader. Okay, so that only will be considered as the leader of the lead or chief minister of the state. In this case, BJP MLAs chose Sri Jaishankar Thakur as their leader, and he became the chief minister. Okay, so like that they chose. The chief minister then select the other people as a ministers. After the elections, it is the governor of the state who is appointed the chief minister and other minister. So first chief minister would be elected, then afterwards they are going to select the what is that, ministers. Okay, that MLAs only they are giving some of the responsibility. Okay, health minister, education one of the field, that education minister, like that position they are giving that. Okay, this is the important one, they are going to do that. So the head of the state government is governor. CRC appointed by whom? By the central government. What purpose? To ensure the state government works within the rules and regulation of the constitution. At the time, so another thing we need to know, that if the majority did not come for the both the or any other parties, means that at the time of the ruling party may not be a single party. Okay, but a group of a party working together. This is called that coalition. Okay, coalition. So what is that? So that one party and another party can be mixed up and can be worked together. That is only coalition. So chief ministers and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments of ministers. Okay, they have separate offices. Okay, they have separate offices depend on the ministry. A legislative assembly is a place where all MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. Okay, this is one important thing. So there is a hall, and some of the MLAs have dual responsibility. One is MLA, another one is minister. So MLA, it is elected. So minister means that is a responsibility given by the government for the ruling party MLAs. Okay, that is important. So now we are debate in a legislative assembly. In your textbook, it is briefly it is given that once you read it, that okay, so you can be understand that. So this is a friend Sujata and many other students from the school travel to the legislative assembly. How it is, everything they are going to be seeing that. Okay, they have sat in the where is that? In the gallery. Okay, so in the visitors gallery they have started, and they started to see that how the government is going to be worked out. Okay, so this is the chief minister and other ministers have to take the decisions and run the government. We usually hear about that them and these about the news channels, okay, and in the papers. So the how the people however the whatever the decisions have taken in the government, that has to be given to the legislative assembly, that has to be given to the information given to the media, and media people will convey to the every citizen. So this is about the and debate, and whatever the decision, simply the chief minister or any other minister will not be taken easily to taken. So they need to discuss in the legislative assembly, and then with the approve of the legislative assembly, then they move on to the approve that one. Okay, so this is a very important. So as I said, that MLA 1, MLA 2, and MLA and other MLAs, so whatever they are going to speak that, and total 6 MLAs are there. So that first, second, third, 3 MLAs are opponent parties, and fourth and sixth are the ruling party, because they are going to give the more representatives about the government, what done, what not done, everything. See, for example, sixth one, the opposition members are unnecessarily blaming the government, so that MLA 6 is going to say that. So this is about the first part of this role of the state government. And in the